the playoffs.
And Irvin takes a knee. And that should do it.
Wow.
L.C. Bird.
Fantastic season, 14-0.
And they storm the field. The Skyhawks are the champs of Division 6 Group AAA football. Congratulations. What an impressive team.
Great team effort. Led by Robertson on the offensive side of the ball. Walker on the defensive side of the ball, but everybody made plays for this team. And I tell you, the Dolphins had a great season as well. I mean, running through the Eastern region. You come out of the Eastern region, you are a fantastic football team in Division 6 level. And congratulations to them as well, state runner-up.